Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you the slime I made yesterday. I couldn't make a video yesterday because I was on a trip in New Jersey. That's why I haven't made videos for a long time. And I made a slime over there. Because there was I went to a place, they had all glue, they had detergent. I was like, there were spoons, I'm like, is this a slime? They were like, yes. And then I was like, can I make one? And then I made this one. And I dyed it a little light blue. So I'm not going to waste time. And let's get started. So now I'm going to take it out. This is how it looks. Wow. This is how it looks. It's so cool, guys. Look at that. Sorry, guys. The camera is so weird today. So, yeah, I'm gonna put my camera back. And it is not as stretchy. Like the less detergent, the more stretchy it is. And the less detergent, it's more stretchier. The more detergent, the less stretchy, and the more I don't know what. So. Yeah, let's not waste time and let's get started. So guys, I hope you like the video. Subscribe, like, comment, and comment any video challenges, the things you want me to do. Check out my last video. I did the popsicle challenge and it was very fun. So guys, I hope you like it. Subscribe. Don't forget, if you're new to the channel, subscribe. So yeah, bye.